Silver Scent from Jacques Bogart, ranked. Now, in the Silver Scent lineup, there are some powerful, long-lasting bangers in there. Some are good, some are shit, and some are beauties. So today, I'm just going to rank the 4 that I own for you guys, give you a bit of an idea about the lineup. So let's just get straight into it. G'day everyone, Mark from Aussie Fragrance back. Silver Scent from Jacques Bogart. Some people like them, some people hate them, some people are on the fence with them. Here in Australia, they are a budget price fragrance. They go for around about $30 for 100 ml, and I'm assuming around the world, they're probably a budget fragrance as well. So today, I'm going to rank my 4 for you. Least favourite to most favourite, obviously. So let's get straight into it. Kicking off with number 4. 2021 release of Silver Scent Infinite Silver. Now, I remember when this was released, I jumped on it so fast. It smells good in the air, but it's a huge letdown for me. This, to me, it does smell good in the air, but on my skin, this is one of the shit releases for me. The notes look worthy, but something in this just does not blend well on my skin. Interested to know if anyone else has this and they get that vibe or they get a different vibe and it's actually a good release. So saying that I don't like it doesn't mean someone else will love it. For me, I'd say skip Infinite Silver for sure and jump on any of the other 3 that are about to come. Now, number 3 on the list is a 2009 release. This is Silver Scent Intense. Now let's give it another puff, daddy. Boom. Big squirter. This one kicks off with strong citruses. Then lavender, geranium, oak moss, and there is a beautiful blend of woods. Now this one here is a very synthetic smelling fragrance, but the use of synthetics in this lineup is what creates that beast mode projection, beast mode performance. And on a certain day, you're going to get 10 to 12 hours easily from this fragrance, pretty much all of these fragrances. It is good, it is worthy, but there are 2 better. Now, it wasn't easy for me to decide between these 2. They are good fragrances, but there is a lot of differences. Now, here we go. 2015 release of Silver Scent Pure. Now, I'm pretty sure my little squirters fizzled on here. Boom, boom, no. Super synthetic again, but I love it. It's like a punch of grapefruit soda straight to the snozzer. Fresh, fresh, fresh. Spray heavy with this one and you will blow everyone away. I do like to spray heavy, but this one here, if I do spray heavy, the synthetics give me a headache. So I do give maybe 5 sprays still, so it's probably heavy for this fragrance. You have apple, there is grapefruit, and there's almost just a pure grape vibe as well. There is orange blossom, just to a milder extent, and then there is some soft woods in there as well. Incredible fragrance at this price point. These 3 that we've mentioned already are all you won't be. Oh, you can see that. Eau Toilette releases. Now, which one has topped Pure? We have the most recent release. Only came out a few months ago here in Australia, and that is Silver Scent Aqua. Not as synthetic as the previous releases. It is slightly synthetic, but this has class to it too. And this one, on the box, it says Eau de Parfum release on the base. Eau de Parfum, peel that off, peel that little sticker off. I'm not going to, but it says Eau de Toilette is embossed in the glass. So I'm assuming they're just using the same molds. They didn't want to change the mold. They threw a sticker. This is an Eau de Parfum release. Less synthetics, so I'm assuming they put more oils in it to give that projection to match up with the reputation that the other Silver Scent fragrances have. Now this one is fresh, like a blend of Polo Blue and Gucci Guilty pour on. Those blended together will create maybe 75–80% of this. You throw in another 20% of originality. Slight twist of the Silver Scent DNA in there. This is great to add to your collection, and it will be a great easy reach summer fragrance. I'd say out there, if you know any teenagers looking to buy fragrances, throw them on this lineup. Definitely get them to try out Aqua. They won't go wrong. But saying that, for a young fella, it suits an old fart like me as well. Probably some old wrinkly grandpa too that's about to kick the bucket. Chuck some on him, it'll work. So there you go. Quick enough. That's my 4 Silver Scent fragrances ranked for you. You don't need all 4. Yeah, probably just the 2. Pure and Aqua, you'd be happy with those two. Now, there are plenty in the lineup. What ones have I missed? What do you think is worthy in the Selva scent lineup? Do you disagree with me? It's a good thing about fragrances. Everyone has their own opinion. It's all subject to different variances, different snozzles, different climates, etc. But anyway, that's it. So until next time, peace. Stay safe. Say good day to your mama for me. And we'll see you again soon. Cheers.
I wanna go out